Bitcoin, introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, is a decentralized digital currency that has captured the world's attention. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network, utilizing blockchain technology to enable secure and transparent transactions. With its innovative approach, Bitcoin has become the pioneer and standard-bearer for the broader category of cryptocurrencies. At its core, Bitcoin is based on a revolutionary concept known as the blockchain. The blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions made with Bitcoin across a vast network of computers. Each transaction is grouped into a block, and once verified by network participants known as miners, it is added to the chain. This process ensures transparency, security, and immutability, as the entire transaction history is publicly available and cannot be altered or tampered with. One of the primary features that sets Bitcoin apart is its decentralized nature. Unlike fiat currencies, which are controlled by governments and central banks, Bitcoin operates independently of any central authority. This decentralization eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as banks, in financial transactions, reducing transaction fees and processing time significantly. Bitcoin is also known for its limited supply. The total number of Bitcoins that can ever exist is capped at 21 million, making it a deflationary asset. This scarcity has led some to view Bitcoin as a potential hedge against traditional inflationary currencies. Furthermore, Bitcoin has gained popularity as a means of investment and speculation. Its price volatility has attracted traders and investors looking to capitalize on its price fluctuations. However, it's important to note that Bitcoin's value can be highly volatile, and investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks. The increasing acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate payment method has further fueled its adoption. Various merchants and businesses worldwide now accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, expanding its use beyond the digital realm. Moreover, Bitcoin has provided an alternative for individuals in regions with limited access to traditional banking services, offering financial inclusion to the unbanked population. Despite its many advantages, Bitcoin has also faced challenges and criticism. Concerns surrounding its potential use for illicit activities, regulatory uncertainties, and the environmental impact of its energy-intensive mining process have sparked debates about its long-term viability. In conclusion, Bitcoin represents a paradigm shift in the world of finance and technology. As the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, it has paved the way for the development of a vast and diverse ecosystem of digital assets. With its decentralized structure, transparent transactions, and limited supply, Bitcoin has captured the imagination of individuals, businesses, and governments worldwide. Whether Bitcoin will continue to revolutionize the financial landscape or face obstacles in its journey remains a subject of ongoing debate, but there is no denying the profound impact it has already made on the global financial system.